The OPPO F29 Plus is a highly anticipated smartphone, priced at an expected $32,999 in India. It features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 394 ppi pixel density and a 120Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant colors and smooth visuals. The punch-hole design provides an impressive 93.4% screen-to-body ratio for an immersive viewing experience. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, the device offers seamless performance with its octa-core processor to 0.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 and to 0.0 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55 and 8 GB RAM. It comes with 256 GB internal storage, expandable for added convenience. The Mali G68MC for GPU ensures smooth gaming performance. The dual rear camera setup includes a 6.4MP primary sensor and a 2MP secondary sensor with features like 10x digital zoom, face detection, and 4K video recording at 30 FPS. The 3.2MP front camera is perfect for selfies and 4K video calls. A 5000 mAh battery with 80W Super VOOC fast charging ensures long-lasting power. The phone supports 5G connectivity, dual SIM slots, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth V5.2, and USB Type-C. It also features an on-screen fingerprint sensor and face recognition for security, with IP69 water resistance for durability.